Transforming your outdoor space with innovative pallet garden designs can breathe new life into your surroundings, offering both aesthetic beauty and functional benefits. Wooden pallets are incredibly versatile, allowing for a range of creative projects that suit various tastes and gardening needs. One popular idea is to create vertical gardens using pallets, where you can plant herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables. This not only maximizes space, especially in smaller yards or patios, but also adds a stunning visual element to your outdoor environment. Additionally, you can repurpose pallets into raised garden beds, which provide better drainage and soil control, making it easier to cultivate your favorite plants. For those looking to entertain, consider designing pallet furniture such as benches or tables, which can be easily customized to fit your desired style and size. Adding cushions and throws will make these pieces inviting and comfortable for gatherings. Another captivating use of pallets is creating decorative pathways or borders in your garden, guiding visitors through your floral displays and vegetable patches. By staining or painting the pallets, you can introduce color and personality to the outdoor space, reflecting your individual style. Moreover, incorporating pallets into trellises or plant stands can support climbing plants, enhancing vertical growth while adding dimension to your garden. Whether you prefer a rustic look or a more modern aesthetic, the possibilities are endless. Furthermore, involving family and friends in these projects can turn gardening into a collaborative and enjoyable experience, strengthening bonds while beautifying your outdoor space. As you explore these ideas, you'll find that each pallet can tell a story, transforming your garden into a personal sanctuary that reflects your values and creativity. Ultimately, reviving your outdoors with pallet garden designs is not just about enhancing visual appeal. It's about creating a space that nurtures growth, fosters joy, and invites relaxation, making every moment spent outside a cherished memory. Reviving your outdoor space can be an exciting journey, especially when embracing innovative garden designs that introduce creativity and functionality. The use of repurposed materials allows for unique expressions of style while promoting sustainability. Imagine transforming a neglected corner of your yard into a lush haven filled with vibrant colors and inviting scents, where nature thrives and invites relaxation. Integrating a variety of plants can enhance the visual landscape, creating layers of texture and depth. Consider the interplay of sunlight and shadow as you design your garden. Strategically placing greenery can create a harmonious balance, encouraging wildlife while providing shelter and shade. Incorporating elements that attract pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, adds life to your outdoor space, fostering a sense of connection to nature. Additionally, implementing pathways or borders can define areas within your garden, guiding visitors through a whimsical experience filled with surprises at every turn. The use of natural tones and organic shapes can evoke a sense of tranquility, transforming your outdoor area into a serene retreat away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. By embracing seasonal changes, you can curate a dynamic environment that evolves throughout the year, showcasing blooming flowers, lush foliage, and even winter interest. Engaging in community gardening initiatives can also enhance your connection to the local ecosystem, fostering relationships with neighbors and sharing the joys of gardening. As you experiment with different planting schemes and arrangements, you'll discover the joy of nurturing life, witnessing the growth and transformation of your outdoor space. Utilizing sustainable practices, such as composting and rainwater collection, can further enhance your garden's health while reducing your ecological footprint. Ultimately, revitalizing your outdoor area is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a sanctuary that nourishes the soul, encourages mindfulness, and invites you to enjoy the beauty of the natural world. With every thoughtful decision, you contribute to a vibrant tapestry of life, transforming your surroundings into a personalized oasis that reflects your values and aspirations. This journey of innovation and creativity can lead to a space where you can unwind, gather with loved ones, and immerse yourself in the wonders of nature, making every moment spent outdoors a cherished experience. Transforming your outdoor space into a vibrant garden sanctuary can be an inspiring project that breathes new life into your surroundings. By embracing innovative design ideas, you can create an environment that reflects your personality and enhances your connection to nature. Imagine a landscape filled with diverse plant life, where colors and textures intertwine to create a tapestry of beauty. This transformation begins with thoughtful planning, considering the natural flow of sunlight, the rhythm of the seasons, and the harmony of various plant species. Incorporating elements that engage the senses, such as fragrant blooms and tactile foliage, invites exploration and relaxation. As you design your garden, think about how to create spaces for gathering and reflection, perhaps by integrating cozy nooks or tranquil corners. The use of natural materials and organic forms can evoke a sense of peace, encouraging you to unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of the outdoors. Additionally, attracting wildlife can enhance the vibrancy of your garden, inviting birds, bees, and butterflies to contribute to the ecosystem. By planting native species, you can support local biodiversity while fostering a thriving environment. The joy of gardening comes not only from the beauty you create, but also from the sense of accomplishment as you nurture plants from seed to bloom. Engaging in sustainable practices, such as mindful watering and organic gardening techniques, can further enrich your experience, promoting a healthy and flourishing habitat. As the seasons change, your garden will evolve, presenting new opportunities for creativity and growth. Whether you envision a lush herb garden, a colorful flower display, or a serene retreat filled with greenery, each choice you make can transform your outdoor space into a personalized haven. Ultimately, this journey is about more than just aesthetics. It's about cultivating a space that nurtures your spirit, fosters creativity, and connects you with the natural world. With each step of the transformation, you'll find joy in the process, creating a garden that not only enhances your home, but also enriches your life.